Hey guys, this is with the Barnyard Chicken. I want to do this really quick while the guys are at lunch. They took the door out. They lifted up the wall. They just lifted up the wall with a dead man. They took the 2x4 out, slid a new 2x4 in, nailed it down, and they were done before lunch. They did not take the brick off the house. They just pushed it back in. And they did not take the windows out. They said they're... Anyway, I just wanted to do this before they got back from lunch. So all they did was take the old one out and put the new one in and then nail it down. They put a dead man up here. They went to get a new door. I believe they went to get a new door. Anyway, this is what they used to hold the ceiling up while they took the board out and put the new board in. Okay. Anyway, that's really all I wanted to say and share. Anyway, this is Lisa with the Barnyard Chicken, sending all my love and my hugs. I'd like to hear what you think about this. Anyway, I'm out of here, sending all my love and my hugs. I hope you can hear me. The fan is loud. I guess I could have turned their fan off.